What's up, guys? It's your Kuya Mark here again. Welcome back to my channel for another cooking video. And tonight we will be cooking Adobong Pusit. Now this is a dish that I haven't had for 16 years, just because for several years I've been allergic to seafood, and not until recently that I tried eating again that I was able to determine that I'm not allergic to seafood anymore. So praise God for that. So tonight, let me show you how to cook Adobong Pusit. Here we go. Alright guys, here is the ingredients for our Adobong Pusit. Now first and foremost, you need your pusit, which is squid. You need your garlic, your onion, your tomatoes, your red chilies, salt and pepper, vinegar, soy sauce, and oyster sauce, just to give it that extra taste. So here we go, your ingredients for Adobong Pusit. Alright guys, first up, to prepare this pusit, this squid, you just gotta wash it. Get all of those sticky stuff on it. And remember to wash your other ingredients. Alright, to prepare this first, you need to chop off our ingredients. So a couple of cloves of garlic, smash, and peel comes off easily. Chop off the end, chop off the end, smash, peel comes off easily. Chop off the end, smash, peel comes off easily. So all of your cloves, just want to chop them up. Set it aside. Up next, your onions. Put aside. Just chop. Alright, up next, your tomatoes. Just want to chop them up like so. And that's it for the preparation. Alright, for the cooking part, gonna turn up the heat and get a nice wok. This is actually a Salad Master, which is a titanium cookware. Just promoting it there. Again, as I reminded you guys, make sure your cooking pot is hot before you put in anything or any oil, just so you won't get any splashes. Seems like our pan is hot. Put in the garlic. Just want to put this in medium flame. Up next, we're gonna put in our onion. We're gonna throw in the tomatoes. Gonna put in a little bit of seasoning. Gotta put the pepper. The salt. A little bit of fish sauce. After that's nice and soft, throw in your ready fish. I'm gonna put this to medium flame and then cover it and leave it for 8 minutes. Alright guys, while the squid is simmering, we're gonna cook some rice. So first things first, cook perfect rice. You just gotta wash it up, soak it up like this. The traditional way, you get your index finger, just dip it in like that, and if the water level is up to that first line there, that's your right amount of water. I'm gonna put that on the stove. For 20 minutes. Now, one key feature about the Salad Master cookware is that it has this pressure valve which ticks, and it indicates that you've reached the ample amount of heat inside your cookware, so it doesn't overcook. So when that's in medium heat, you just want to put it down to low heat. And that way it creates a perfect seal of heat inside your cookware. Alright guys, our squid has been simmering for a bit now. Ooh, look at that. Just give it a quick stir. Then we'll throw in our chilies. Now we're going to add our soy sauce. Vinegar. And then oyster sauce. It's not necessary, but just to add a little bit more flavor. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Alright guys, we'll just simmer this for another 5 minutes. Alright guys, it's been simmering for a bit now. That's it. Easy Adobong Pusit. Now, let's plate it up. Alright guys, plating it up. Get your hot steaming rice. And over there. Then, oh, zoom out a little bit. The Adobong Pusit. Sprinkle this in like so. Can't see it. It's over there. Right guys, plating it is up. We're gonna put 2 chilies like that. Thing is fogging up my camera. Alright, we're gonna put coriander to garnish like so. That like that, and that's it. Easy Adobong Pusit. Well, that's it for me guys on how to cook Adobong Pusit. Now if you like this video, make sure you click subscribe and also the bell icon so you would get notifications of my next coming post. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, and see you later on Kuya Mark's Geeky World. God bless.